Welcome back, everybody. Today we are going to be talking about plants. Stephanie and I spend our days designing and selling many different types of projects with lots of different types of plants.
And we thought we'd share some of our favorites and why we like them.
If you're looking for a partial shade-loving, low-maintenance plant that isn't a hosta, Aurelia Sun Kings are for you. They have an awesome bright green color that can contrast wonderfully with our other plants and trees.
This favorite plant is actually a general category, but we always love to include a small full grass within your landscaping. 3 come to mind immediately: Pennsylvania sedge, blue fescue, and dwarf fountain grasses. There are a ton of varieties, and which one you choose will depend on the overall style of your landscaping, since they are all about the same size and require the same amount of minimal care.
If you're looking for a sun-loving, whimsical plant, we suggest trying Calamint nepeta, but specifically the white variety. As much as we love the classic purple nepeta, this white nepeta adds so much volume to your landscaping without clashing with any other flowering plants.
We love to make sure your landscaping has color all year long, which means we often include fall blooming plants. One of our favorites is Autumn Joy sedum. It's low maintenance, very hardy, beautifully green, and in the fall has bright pink flowers.
We are suckers for a good columnar plant that keeps its shape and has great color. It's for these reasons that we often suggest columnar barberries. The most common colors are bright green and deep purple.
Speaking of plants that stay upright, we prefer grasses that keep their shape and don't weep over time. Therefore, one we often suggest is Karl Forester grasses. There are many varieties to choose from.
If you're looking to keep it native, we can't suggest using red twig dogwoods enough. They look absolutely stunning all year long, from their foliage to their branches.
These are just a few of the plants that we love this season. What do you think?
Let us know in the comments below, and thanks for watching.